Welcome to AutomationHQ, a no-code, test automation platform. In this video, we are going to show you how you can use environments to improve your automation scripts. Let's navigate to Environments by clicking Settings, and then Environments. Environments are a collection of website URLs that allows us to quickly change the URLs of our test scripts. Let's start by adding an environment. To do this, click Add Environment button. Let's add a name for the environment. For this demo we will be using AHQ demo site. Next is the URL. Then save. After creating our environment, let's apply it. Navigate to Settings, then Global Parameters. Here we can set the default environment that we want to use on this project. Set the environment on the Environment drop-down, then click Save. Now let's use the new default environment on a test script. Replace the step 1 input as config.base URL. This syntax will tell the test script to use the environment we set on the global parameters. Let's run the test script to check if it applied the environment. Success. We can also select our environment when we execute a test bot. We can take advantage of environments to quickly change all instances of the config.base URL in our test scripts. Thank you and see you next time.